Look at that yummy goodness. So guys, for this recipe we are going to be needing one Greek yogurt. Yeah, 1 pot of Greek yogurt. So in here we already have 3 eggs, so I'm just going to add it. So here I have ½ cup of sugar. You can decide to use 1, but I like to adjust. So let's mix that up. So I'm going to be adding 2 pots of flour. This is the pot from the yogurt. So I also add my pinch of salt, pot of vegetable oil. So we are going to mix everything together. Mix. So the last thing I'm going to add is a lemon zest. Just make sure your lemon is washed and clean before you start adding. That's it. So we have to mix and pop it inside the oven. This is a quick cake, guys. It's a very quick but delicious yogurt cake. So guys, for our pan we are going to rub it with some butter. So just give that a good rub. So I'm using a silicone pan. You can use any pan of your choice. I'm going to sprinkle some sugar in the pan. Please don't skip these parts, okay? It's very important. Now it's time to just add in our our cake batter. Look how beautiful that is. Looking so beautiful. So if you want a big cake, you can double the ingredients in size, and then you got yourself a big cake. Take a look at that. Yeah, it's ready to go inside the oven now. Let's bake this at 180. Yeah, 180 degree. So guys, our cake is ready. Yeah, once it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Take a look at that. I'm just going to leave it here so that it can cool down. So we taste it to see how delicious it is. Just take a look at that. That's why I like silicone. They are very easy. Take a look at that beauty. So moist. Super soft. Take a look at that yummy goodness. So guys, that's it for our cake. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be giving this a try. Just take a look at that. So moist, super moist. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please follow our page. I'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.